Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We will enter the year of dragon on the lunar calendar on February 10th. Are your lucky red bracelets ready? In today's video, I will show you a very easy way to make lucky red bracelets. I don't know if you have watched the short video of making this bracelet. The inspiration of the lucky red bracelet today comes from this one. The changes are the 0.8 mm braided cord changed from black to red and replace the center bead 6 mm blue moonstone with 6 mm red garnet. Also replace the silver nugget beads with 3 mm 18K yellow gold beads. And it's an adjustable drawstring style, so let's make the largest resize a 9 inches. Alright, the first step, prepare the cord in about 16 inches and then burn the cord to make the needle. Be careful when you use fire. Make it slowly and steady. Then you can make the needle. Right now, thread 3 gold beads. And 1 garnet. And 3 gold beads. Here we go. You can make more sections according to your own design. Okay, and then we tie a knot on each side. But before we do that, make sure all the beads are in the center of the cord. Tie 1 knot. And this side. The next step, we make a macrame knot here. Get the cord ready. If you don't know how to make this knot, click the suggested video above. Now measure the resize 9 inches. And again, make sure the center beads are in the right position. Now thread 1 gold bead on each side. And tie a knot. Cut and burn. do the same here. Cut and burn. A beautiful bracelet is done. As always, beautiful and simple, isn't it? Why choose red garnet as a New Year bracelet? The first, of course, is the color. And the second is the healing benefits of red garnet, which is associated with your root chakra and helps you ground to the earth. Promote your vision in order to provide you a new direction in 2024 and move towards it. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.